Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to print an email or save to PDF via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and the ability to write emails. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner, click on Gmail, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Compose to compile a brand new email, increase the size of the email window. Let's now select the recipient, which will be admin@computersciencevideos.com. I want to choose a subject, which will be print. Let's now go within the email. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Right arrow to autofill, full stop. This is a print email. Kind regards, Computer Science Videos. And before sending the email, we want to print or save to PDF for the Mac computer. Go to the three dots, more options, print. This will then take us to a new tab where we can print the email itself or save to PDF. And now let's click on save. This will then open up another window that will allow us to save or change the name or save as. Let's now select desktop, gmail-print.pdf, click on save. This has now saved to the desktop. Let's go to the desktop and see that PDF file that consists of the email that was saved to the desktop. Let's now quit preview, go back to the email, click on send, view message. We can also click on the three dots to print, which will give us the same if the email was sent and then we want to print after sending the email. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.